Justice for Kwekwe and all the girls who are being violated on a daily basis. I also don't support the deployment of soldiers. I think it was a bit extreme. But for some reasons, I think it was the best move on the chessboard. Remember when people were boycotting or were protesting for the release of Jacob Zuma? The situation turned into a chaotic situation. It turned into a chaotic situation whereby infrastructures were destroyed. Over 500 billion of damages occurred and hundreds of jobs were lost. It was a peaceful march from the beginning, but the situation turned because of the anger and frustration that the people have. It can still happen in this situation. So I think the person who deployed these soldiers had an intelligence report whereby it said there has to be some ulterior motives whereby criminals want to take advantage of the situation. So prevention is better than cure, and I say justice for Kwekwe and all the girls who are being violated.